Hey, good evening. Today is Tuesday, October 8th in the evening around 9:33. So just doing another night walk. Right now we're on Elm Street walking to Yonge Street. We're gonna go south on Yonge, head up into Yonge Dundas Square, then just have a look around. It's just gonna be a short video. So up ahead here is a famous steakhouse, Barbarian Steakhouse in Toronto. I've never eaten here before, but one day I think I will, because I've heard so much about it. So as you can see, there's a lot of construction, lots of condo buildings, and a few more rental apartments are being built, which is great. Right up ahead here says Basil Box. What it actually is the TMU, Toronto Metropolitan University Student Center. So now on this site, there used to be Sam's record store and other record stores as well. So everything is continually changing. Here's some claw machines. Now up the corner there, it's kind of like food stalls. There is controversy from there because there used to be a building, heritage building. It was bought up, but it mysteriously caught on fire and then burnt down. I've never eaten in there either, but it looks kind of neat. Close to the university, so probably good eats for the students. Here's another shot of the student center. Now in front of me in this building, Tokyo Smoke and Five Guys. This used to be the old HMV building. I miss that place. It was like 5 levels of music, basically. Each level, different genres of music. As you can see, Yonge Dundas Square up ahead.
And this
Right now, this building here, I can never remember the name of it here. It's where it houses Little Canada. It's a newest tourist attraction. So it's basically cities in Canada shrunk down, miniaturized. One day I will see that too. Canada's first ever, or Toronto's first ever Shake Shack. I gotta try that too. That just opened up this summer. Now right here you can see Rogers store. It's a flagship store for Rogers Communications. And in front of us here is the Eaton Center with the big HMB. Oh, this is cool here. This is called the Scramble. So you can actually cross diagonally. So I mentioned in other videos, this is one of two scrambles that there are in Toronto. So this is Dundas and Yonge. The other one being in Yonge and Bloor. So this complex is pretty cool here. Lots of cool restaurants. There's a movie theater as well. You can see up there, there's the old Sam the Record Man sign. So it was at TMU University. So this is Yonge Dundas Square. This is Toronto's version of the Times Square in New York. Lots of lights, lots of billboards, ads of everything. In front of us is the City TV building. Eaton Center again in front of us as the biggest shopping center in Toronto. You know, Yonge Dundas Square is where all events are put on. Lots of concerts, free concerts. Lots of festivals here. Good gathering point, I would say. So it being a Monday, it's not that busy, but it's still kind of busy. Oh yeah, the building in front of us here, it's a Shoppers Drug Mart right now, but this used to be the Hard Rock Cafe, a restaurant with a music theme. Before that, it used to be actually, I forgot what it was called, but it was a music venue, live bands and everything. So we can have a better view of the Rogers flagship retail store. And there, ahead of us, going north, Yonge Street, part of the Yonge Street strip there. We're just gonna cross here once the light turns. All right, let's go this way.
Pero eso es el único que pasa ser tú, no puedes probar.
Como varias.
Pero tienes que arrancar la camioneta desde allá.
Hasta allá. ¿Es al revés?
So Toronto has this bike rental program, I forgot what it's called, but it looks like it's sponsored by Tangerine. Now across the street here, the OLG Price Center. So if you win a jackpot or one of the grand prizes, this is where you go to claim them.
Yeah.
So all this is still part of the Eaton Center. This building up here is School of Management for Toronto TMU, Metropolitan University.
When do I check in? Oh my goodness. There you go. Okay, guys. You gotta start me off.
Toronto Eaton Center.
Right.
All right, now up ahead here, we're coming to the intersection of Dundas and Bay Street. No, fun fact, there used to be another scramble here. So Toronto had 3 scrambles. Scramble meaning they couldn't actually cross diagonally. But they took that out because I guess it wasn't really used as much as the 2 remaining ones. Yonge Dundas Square and the one at Yonge and Bloor. Just gonna cross here. Hello. Overly eager driver trying to make a right turn. So now we're heading north on Bay Street. On the right here is a Red Lobster. It doesn't look like it's too busy. I hope this restaurant survives. Had good fond memories of eating at Red Lobsters, mostly in Scarborough. Unfortunately, the fortunes of that company, that restaurant chain, it's not looking good. Now, one thing that we're driving downtown, it's kind of quite harder because of all the motor bikes, electric bikes, and electric scooters. A lot of the delivery people just driving around. So you have to really be careful when you're driving. Now this building here, this went up pretty quickly. It's for Sick Kids Hospital. I don't know if that's the main Sick Kids Hospital now. It's pretty huge though. I remember when this used to be a parking lot. Oh, let's see, Center for Research and Learning. Okay, so it's a learning center. That's pretty huge though. All right, we're back in Elm Street. This is where I started out. Sushi Kaka. That's a great sushi all-you-can-eat restaurant. This is very, very pretty with these lights on the trees. Can't wait till winter. Reminds me of all the decorations. Alright, so we're here where I started. Just gonna end it up here. Again, guys, thank you so much for joining me on this tour. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to hear from you guys, trying to improve my videos. And until the next one, take care. Alright, peace.